Now we can finally reveal this home in Chatswood, Sydney. This renovation and extension of a semi-detached property really turns heads on the street. I can't wait to see what's inside. I meet Fadi, the architect and owner of this fascinating design. Wow, these floors are amazing. What sort of timber is that?
This is spotted gum.
Yep.
And this is used entirely internal and external.
Well, mate, I'm a chippy by trade, so I love it when I walk into a building and I just see timber everywhere. That's what I would do. Timber everywhere
as well.
I've even noticed your rafters up here. Is that actually part of the floor system?
Yes, they are. They are structural.
Even just looking around, a lot of your structural elements you've chosen to expose. Even your step treads. These are, what are these, like laminated beam?
Laminated spotted gum beams as well.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. And they're supported on the wall from one side and then hang from these rods from the steel post.
I noticed walking in, you have got a lot of different building elements. You've got your timber, you've got your brick wall.
That's right, exposed. This is exposed common brick actually. It's not face brick. And then I like the looking of the common brick even more than face brick, so I've decided to expose it.
Mate, that is a big thing with us. We absolutely love the texture of brick and face brick. And a lot of people love just rendering over it. So it's great to see people that leave the face brick. So how long have you been an architect for? How long have you been designing homes here?
Oh, my passion in architecture started long way back when I was in my late teens.
Fadi has worked extensively overseas on large-scale commercial projects and continued this work when he came to Australia 17 years ago. In 2010, he started his own practice focusing on his main passion of residential design. The artwork and interiors here have a worldly feel and reflect his well-travelled experiences.
Driving down the street, this house is definitely a standout. You've got that awesome roof system up the top there.
Thank you.
And it really is a standout.
Yes, that have been told for most of the people, and I'm happy just to see people just passing by, taking photos. That keep me happy.
It's the terracotta tiles from Monier that really set this home off. At the same time, the sharp lines of the structure demand attention. The tiles and timber soften it and allow the house to be sympathetic to the rest of the street. A great example of traditional materials used in a contemporary design.
Wow, how high are these ceilings?
They are 4.5 meters.
4.5 metres?
Yes.
Fantastic. And we've, I noticed you've used all the louvers, and you can, walking up the stairs, you can feel all that passive airflow.
Yeah, exactly right. Really happy with the outcome because the impact of louvers, you get rid of the hot air from the upper section of the bedroom, replaced with the cold air coming from the windows. Yeah, so it's really sustainable, passive design principle.
Well, mate, we're from Queensland. We put louvers everywhere. We love them.
That's right. Even more crucial there.
Wow, there's so many unique pieces in here. First of all, your glazing. Who's done your glazing? Because there is not one normal window in this place.
Yeah, that's right. It's all custom made. I went for trained windows.
Okay.
Yeah, they've done a great job.
And even just walking through your bathrooms, you know, it's not a standard mirror on the wall. You've got this whacked out, angled bit of mirror.
Yeah.
The vanity, that must have been custom made.
Yeah, that's right. I think the mirror have to be this shape just to balance the opposite directions of the basin and the vanity.
And you got a lot of musical instruments around the place. Do you?
No, not myself. I'm not playing myself, but my two sons, my 20-year-old son and my 10-year-old boy, both of them are playing piano and guitar.
I happen to be a genius at both of those instruments, so
here we go.
Yeah, back when I was at school, they used to call me Piano Man, actually.
Yes.
Yeah, so maybe later on I'll jump on and show you a bit of a tune.
Show me some of your talent.
Well, mate, this is the jewel in the crown, isn't it?
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I think so.
Mate, it feels like Queensland. You know, you've done the indoor, outdoor living area. The pool is fantastic.
Exactly right. You can tell the interaction between the in and out, both combined in one.
All right, mate. Well, thanks for having us and showing us through your house, and we look forward to seeing some of your other projects coming in the pipeline.
Thanks a lot, Michael. It's always my pleasure.
Cheers.
There's something really interesting about architects' own homes. It's often a time for them to experiment with ideas and really show where their passions lie. What Fadi has created here is a great example of his own unique design, executed perfectly for the world to admire and his family to live in and enjoy. I think I'm enjoying it a little too much.